Hey everyone, this is Rosie speaking. I'm a Blue Diamond leader with doTERRA, and this video is to coincide with the presentation that I was doing for the Empowered Success series at doTERRA's 2020 convention that we couldn't attend in person due to a worldwide pandemic. So this video goes with my presentation. The reason why I'm not sharing the actual video that I use is because when I do that, people use it for themselves, or they may try and copy it too much. And the whole purpose of a wellness consult and the videos that I do is so that people connect with me. So please take pointers from this and then go and create your own so that people are connecting with you, okay? So this is the video that I would send people after they've enrolled, after I have booked their wellness consult with them, as part of the text messages that I send them leading up to when I'm going to touch base with them. Hey, and welcome to my amazing doTERRA family. Thank you so much for saying yes to you and to choosing a healthier lifestyle by incorporating the amazing essential oils and the other products that doTERRA has into your life. So go you. Not many people, well, the majority of people on this planet don't actually do that yet. So you're way ahead of the majority. So firstly, massive congratulations to you. So by now you have received your oils, you've got your doTERRA starter pack, and you're waiting to meet up with me either in person or on the phone or via a live chat to go over not just your oils, but what it actually means to have an account or a membership with doTERRA. So what I want you to do, if you haven't already, make sure you've got your enrollment pack, which is all the paper info, before you watch the rest of this video. So if you don't, just pause it and then come back to it. Okay, so you've got your pack. Number one, if you haven't already, make sure you find the stickers that are in your pack, pull them out and stick those little round stickers on top of your essential oils. It blows my mind how many people I meet when they first get their oils that haven't done that yet. Do that, it makes your life so much easier, okay? After you've looked at the stickers, or even while you're doing it, you will notice that there are 3 other booklets inside your pack. And they are these booklets. We have the Live Guide. Now, this is the guide that I'm actually going to be going through with you today. So keep this one close by. And sorry when I catch up with you as well. This is the one that I'm going to be going through with you. Then you have got the Share Guide, which I will briefly go through with you as well. And then you have the Build Guide. Now, none of these are, you have to do any of them, okay? doTERRA is all about you do what's best for you, and then my job is to support you however that looks for you. But I don't know about you, when I get a membership or an account with something or someone or an organization, I want to know what that involves. I don't want to know just that there's this tiny little bit over here. I want to know what the whole thing involves. So I'm going to explain that to you more in detail when we chat, but just briefly so you understand what all these pamphlets are about. So this is the Live Guide. This is talking about living a doTERRA lifestyle, or living a health and wellness lifestyle. So in here, I'm going to go through the first 10 pages with you today. So keep that one handy, but just so you know, that's what it's all about. The blue one is the Share Guide. So what tends to happen with some people is they use the oils, and as we all do, we have amazing results with them. They change our life, they change our family's life, they just make us feel so good. And when we feel good, we just can't help sharing that with people. So this is a guide. If maybe one day, it doesn't have to be today, tomorrow, or even in a year's time, but maybe one day you're like, you know what? I love these oils, I use them, I've had amazing results, I'd really love to help my family and friends, and I know that by doing that, I can actually get some of my orders for free. Like, I don't have to have them come off my credit card. So just FYI, you do not have to build a business in order to share essential oils with like a handful of people. Okay? You do not have to build a business to do that. So I don't want you to freak out and think, she's one of those people putting the business on me. No, I'm not, okay? I'm just explaining your membership. But this is the guide that walks you through what it looks like to share the oils, and as a result of that, you'll likely earn yourself between $200, maybe $300 in commissions, which means you can put a big fat oil order in and it won't come off your credit card. You just press the little button and doTERRA takes the money off what you've received just by sharing it with people. And then you get all those oils. It's like a big happy Christmas gift, but you know, you can access it any time of the year. So there's information here for that. Then for some of you, and again, I'm not pushing the business on you, I'm just letting you know what comes in your membership, what comes in your pack, so that like a lot of you will probably look at this and go, it's not something I'm interested in you, but there may be some of you out there that are like, you know, I'd really like an extra $1,000 a month just dropping in for my family all the time. I'd like to use that to pay off a car, to save for a holiday. Or maybe there's some of you out there that like hate your jobs and you'd love to be part of a really vibrant, uplifting community, and you love the oils so much that you're like, far out, I love them, I'm using them, I'm sharing them anyway. Why not? That's what this guide is all about, okay? It tells you what it is to build a business. Now, sharing and building are two completely different things, okay? Building requires a lot more commitment, a lot more time, a lot more effort. So a lot of people, if that's something they're not really interested in getting into, sharing is definitely the option. And if not, just use the oils, love them, incorporate them into your life and have amazing results with them. But just so you know, that's what all the guides are about. And now you know why you've got them in your pack, because your pack, your membership gives you all of those options, and it's totally up to you how you want to use it, and it's my job to help you. Zero pressure, okay? I don't want anyone ever feeling like that when they're working with me, because I hate when people make me feel like that. So the last thing I want to do is make you feel like that. So whatever you want to do, I'll support you. I want you to get this guide out now, and I'm going to quickly flip through it with you. So we'll bring you up to the page so that when I catch up with you, we can quickly go over the first few pages, and then we'll really get into setting some goals for you, because I can't wait to set them and help you achieve the results that you want in your life. Okay, so grab this guide and I'm going to go through it with you right now. So we've got our first two pages, which is all about, are you ready to discover better wellness and better health in your life? Of course you are. That's why you purchase the oils, right? So big fat tick to that. So we're looking at the 6 different areas of your life that doTERRA can help support you to live a health and wellness lifestyle. So on this page, we've got proactive medical care, self-care, reducing your toxic load, rest and relaxation, exercise, and eating right. So there are products that doTERRA create that can support you in every single one of those areas. So I want you to have a look at those areas. So proactive medical care being, are you a get a headache, pop a pill kind of person straight away? Or do you go, okay, maybe I've got tension in my neck, I might need a massage, or I'll just have a drink of water and lie down, or like, where are you at? So if you're really proactive, you'd be looking at like a 10 out of 10. If you're not really proactive and you didn't even know there were any other options beside pills, you're probably at a 1. So the aim is to get these numbers down, and then by working with me in 3 months' time, we're going to increase them and have them going up. So then the next one is self-care. So what are you doing to take care of yourself? And a lot of people go a little bit crazy when we're thinking about self-care. They think, you know, how often am I going to the day spa? How often am I doing this? How am I doing that? It's really just checking in with yourself every day, like doing something to nurture you, to nourish you, to make sure that you're managing your emotions, that you're doing something to check in with you and go, you know, I care about you. You're important. You're an important body. You're an important being. So that you're doing something to take care of you. So give yourself a score between 1 and 10, and don't feel bad if it's low. The majority of women do have really low self-care numbers, and I'm going to help you to increase that for sure. Reducing your toxic load. So when our body is trying to be healthy and we keep overloading it with chemical after chemical after chemical, from like cleaning products and environmental stuff and all that kind of stuff, our body's never going to be as strong as what it could be, because it's constantly dealing with all these toxins. It's like a new toxin's introduced and our body's like, oh, I've got to move this again. And so then when some kind of threat comes along that might like take you down, you might go down harder than what you normally would, because your body is just dealing with so many toxins that it's trying to process. So By reducing your toxic load, you make your body healthier and stronger to be able to cope with any external thing that might come your way. So reducing your toxic load is basically what are you doing to reduce the amount of chemicals that you're exposed to on a daily basis. We can't avoid all of them, okay? It's the world we live in, but what are you doing to reduce it? Give yourself a score. The next one's rest and relaxation. So we need to be sleeping. There is so much science around this now, and not the sleep where you wake up 5 times a night unless you have a newborn. I've been there 4 times. So I'm feeling you if that's you. But if not, you need to be having like a deep, relaxing sleep. Your body needs to be able to rest, because that's when our bodies heal. That's when our bodies recover. That's when all of our organs like get to work. They're not processing all the food and everything that's going on during the day, but they work at repairing themselves. So rest is so important. Proper rest and relaxing for our bodies. It's so important. So where are you at? What are you doing with that? Give yourself a score. Exercise, obviously, it's like a bit of a no-brainer, but what are you doing to improve your exercise, or to exercise on a daily basis, or at least 5 times a week? So put something down there. And I'm not talking gym 5 times a week. I'm talking, half an hour of walking, or just something that's got your body actually moving. But research shows we should be doing at least 3 half-hour periods a week where we're sweating. So if you're not doing that, we can work towards it, okay? And then eating right. What kind of food are you eating? Are you nourishing your body? Do you have a good balance, like a 90-10 balance? So 90% of the time you're nourishing, 10% of the time you're doing whatever. So where is your balance at? Give yourself a score, and let's flip on. So the next pages 4 and 5, we're looking at eating right. So we're looking at what we can use to nourish our bodies, okay? And to help us create more of a healthier lifestyle in that department. So on here we've got doTERRA's supplements. Now, I'm going to be real with you. I wasn't into the supplements, and I was using the oils for 12 months before I even ordered a pack. And the only reason I did was because I found out that they sold better than the oils. And I was having like knockout results with the oils at that point. And so I was like, these sell better than the oils? How, like, they've got to be pretty awesome to be able to do that. And I literally will not go without them now, neither will my husband. They nourish your body, they fuel your body. The energy that you have when you take these is phenomenal. The reason they're so amazing is because they are made from whole foods, they are bioavailable to your body, and that is proof because when you take these and you do a wee, it doesn't change color, which means your body is actually absorbing it. Plus, they come with a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can't go into a health food store, you can't go to your naturopath and buy supplements and then say, PS, in a month's time, if I do all of this and they don't work, can I give the empty bottles back to you and get my money back? That's not going to happen. But you can do that with doTERRA's. And a lot of naturopaths have seen these supplements and have confirmed that they are practitioner grade. So just so you know, if eating right for you, if your score is low, maybe it's something that you might want to consider either now or down the track. Then we have the oils that we can add to flavor things. So if you're used to eating things that are really sweet and full of flavor, and that's something that you might like to reduce, adding essential oils to food or to drinks is totally safe. Our essential oils are food grade essential oils, which means they are safe to add to food and then to eat. General rule, if it's a food that you can eat, like lemon, wild orange, black pepper, cilantro, then you can have the oil. If it is not a food, like wintergreen or eucalyptus, you can't. So it does say it on the bottle, but just be mindful of that. So there's some great ideas here. There's a green smoothie recipe. There's a produce wash, so we want to get rid of the pesticides and germs off the produce, so there's a wash for that. And there's some ideas on how you can either add it to your water or peppermint or ginger to hot water for a nice tea for you. So that's on pages 4 and 5. Now we're looking at 6 and 7, and this is your rest and relaxation. So you want to be looking at where was my score and what can I do to improve that. So we're looking at, for good sleep, peaceful dreams, deep relaxing sleep, we've got lavender and lavender peace, relax in a flash, wild orange and vetiver. Oh my goodness, just try it if you haven't. And if you're a little bit hesitant, let me know, because I can give you some samples so you can give it a shot before you buy the full bottle. And then we're looking at the Easy Air and the On Guard. Because Easy Air, it's like a use your whole lungs oils. It's phenomenal. It really helps you to be clear and calm. And then of course your diffuser. Diffusing essential oils is just phenomenal when it comes to sleep and helping with relaxation. So that is definitely something that if you want to increase those scores, these products will be able to help you with. And there's a great relaxing bath salt recipe there too. So this page that's got the emotion oils on it, those are essential oils that have been specifically designed for emotions, for the emotions that they're talking about. So peace, the reassuring blend, if you need reassuring. Console, the comforting blend, so on and so forth. So you get the gist with that. Okay, so have a look at that. If that's something that you think, yeah, I'd actually really like to explore the emotional side of the oils a bit more, we can talk about that when we go through your consult. Then we're looking at reducing your toxic load and self-care. So doTERRA isn't just an essential oil company, as you'll see on this page. There are a lot of other products. Toothpaste, skincare, shampoo and conditioner. There's recipes here for a bathroom freshener, glass cleaner, stain remover. These products are phenomenal at reducing your toxic load. If that is something that you would really like to work on, you cannot look on Pinterest and get a green cleaning recipe that doesn't contain an essential oil, generally vinegar and bicarb soda as part of it. So you're in the right place, and I will help you so much when it comes to that. And then we're looking at self-care. So what are you doing to take care of you? And not just, like I said, once a month or once every 6 months going to the spa, but like it's got the suggestion on here to have your 8 vial keychain and then keep 8 little sample bottles of essential oils in there, so that when stuff comes up, you can use them straight away. You can jump on them straight away, use them straight away, so that you don't have to wait 6 months to take care of yourself, that you can have that little check-in. So a lot of people put the emotions oils in their little keychain, and so if you're sitting in traffic or you're running late or something's gone wrong, you can just take that 2 minutes to drop the essential oil into your hand, breathe it in, check in with yourself and go, oh, I've got this. Okay, that's how they work. They're so reassuring like that. So these are just some suggestions on this page on how you can do that. Now we are here. This is the page that I am going to catch up with you. So when we chat, if you want to go over any of the questions that are on the first part, I will definitely do that with you. But this is the page where all the magic is going to happen. So if you want to, you can start it, but you're only allowed to start that 1, 2, and 3, that first column there, and then I'll go through the rest of it with you. So we're talking about your top wellness priorities for you and your family. So in 90 days time, if I could wave a magic wand and you could have those scores increased, what would be the 3 top priorities? Because here's the deal, right? I know you probably have a million things in your head. You're thinking, well, I'd improve this, I'd improve this, I'd improve this. The reason why people don't succeed when they're implementing changes into their lifestyle is because they do too many. Okay, we have to do baby steps. Even when you give me these 3, I'm probably only going to say to you, right, for the first 2 weeks, we're going to work on 1. For the next 2 weeks, we're going to work on implementing for something else. Because when you implement things in bite-sized pieces, you are so much more likely to achieve them. So I'm going to work closely with you for 90 days with the products within your budget. There's going to be no pressure to do anything that you don't want to do, but I'm going to work with you to make sure that these goals that we're going to set, we're going to make sure that you are supported the whole time to bring them to life. So think of 3 things that you might want to change or that you want to improve. Write them down. Don't do anything else. Okay? And I will be catching up with you very shortly on our call or in person, and we will be setting out a plan and getting ready to smash those goals and bring those numbers up to make sure that you are living your happiest, most well, bestest life possible. So thank you again so much for being here, for choosing the oils, for trusting me to help you on that journey. I'm 100% with you. I've got your back. It's not that kind of company where you just like sign up and then you don't hear from anyone. Like, I'm here to help you. So utilize that. I will chat to you soon. See ya.